Navarro, and past presidents Roldan Castro, Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio, Romel Gonzalez, Melba Llanera, and Rodel Fernando.
Nakaka-nervous pala ito. Parang kailan lang ang tinatanggap ko pong award ay Best Teen Star Award. Ngayon, Lifetime Achievement na. But kidding aside, sorry guys, kailangan ko magbasa baka hindi na maulit ito. Maikli lang po ito, malaki lang ang font. Thank you PMPC Star Awards for this great honor. Nag-umpisa po ako sa telebisyon back in 1978 when I was 9 years old as a guest in a BBC 2 drama anthology called Ulila na pinangungunahan po ni Ms. Rosa Rosal. Doon ko rin po na-experience sa unang pagkakataon na masigawan ng direktor. Si Mario O'Hara po yun dahil hindi po ako umiyak ng totoong luha. After po nun, totoo na po ang luhang lumabas sa akin. At hanggang ngayon, totoong luha na rin po ang iniiyak ko. I also became a newscaster sa Newswatch Junior Edition. Teka, bababa ko ito, baka mabasag. I also became a newscaster sa Newswatch Junior Edition ng RPN 9. That led me to my job as the lead in the soap opera Flor de Luna. The TV show started everything for me, and if not for Flor de Luna, wala po ako dito ngayon. 47 years na po ako sa telebisyon. I have done soap operas, variety show, reality show, comedy. Minsan kumanta na rin po ako. Cooking show, ginawa ko na rin po. I have worked with almost everyone in this industry. And that means I have so much to be grateful for and so many people to thank. First, I would like to thank all the networks na pinagtrabahuhan ko all these years from RPN 9, IBC 13, BBC 2, TV5, Net25, GMA 7, and ABS-CBN. The film producers na nagtiwala, sumuporta at sumugal po sa akin. Kagaya po ng Regal Films, Viva Films, Essex Films, at marami pa pong iba. I am truly very lucky to have worked with you all. I would like to thank all the directors that I have worked with. Napakarami ko pong natutunan sa kanila. Sa lahat po ng mga artista na nakatrabaho ko, those who have supported me, and those I have supported. The writers and the creative people who have written all the beautiful characters and stories na ginampanan ko. The production people of all the shows I have worked on, BUH, EP, AP, PA, Art Department, Utility, mga cameramen, audiomen, LM, crowd, pati TC. Sa lahat din po ng mga makeup artist at stylist, maraming salamat. To the press people, especially the PMPC, who have always been kind to me. Sa mga fans, especially who have been with me in the beginning, your support means the world to me. Sa mga naging manager ko, Manay Lolit Solis, pagaling ka, Douglas Quijano, and of course, ang manager ko ngayon, Popoy Caritativo. To all my friends who have been there for me no matter what. To my very loyal personal assistant of 25 years who has become family to me. Mimi, thank you for everything. To my parents who were always very supportive and who always made sure that I was disciplined and grounded. To my mom who was always with me in all my tapings and shootings. I miss you so much, Mommy. To my dad who was very patient and understanding kahit minsan mahirap intindihin. And to my 5 most important achievements, Luigi, Ina, Moira, Kyla, and Yuan. I am truly lucky that even if my work took a lot of my time from all of you, I think I did a good job in raising you. I love you, kids. And to my 4 even more important achievements, Alejandro, Adriana, Anya, and Ariela, mga apo ko po sila. May apo na ako. I love you very much with all my heart. I thank God for giving me this talent, this career, and this great opportunity to be an actress. God, everything I have and everything I am comes from you. Sometimes this job will make you feel underappreciated, unloved, a lot of times unimportant. But if I were given the chance to redo my life, pipiliin ko pa rin pong maging artista. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat.
Major awards are coming up when the 38 Star Awards for TV return.
Hey, you're so pretty.